All right, welcome. So today we're going to do some work with addition of fractions. As you can see on the left-hand side here, I have a quantity of 3/4. So I'm going to write that amount, 3/4, plus another 3/4. And that is going to give me my sum or my unknown, right? Before we begin though, I wanted to bring your attention on how I wrote my equation horizontally. In fourth grade and in fifth grade, we really want students to understand this meaning of this equal sign here, that it really means equivalence between one quantity and another quantity. So we want to write our equations horizontally this way to really develop that understanding, right? So if I say what's 3/4 plus 3/4, the sum would be 6/4, because we can count them like this: 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4. Initially, I think that's a great idea to introduce your students to count by that fraction to really understand what they're doing, right? So some of you might say, well, that's an improper fraction, right? Well, with Common Core, we want students to really understand that 6/4, we used to call it an improper fraction. Now we call it a fraction greater than 1, because 6/4 is a fraction, it's just greater than 1, right? So if you want students to develop a mixed number, what I like to use is decomposing this number into number bonds. So I say, well, boys and girls, how many fours give me a whole? Well, 4/4 would give me 1 whole. Or if I move this piece here over here, that would give me 4/4. And what do I have left? Well, 2/4, right? And I like to box in my whole numbers. So therefore, 6/4 is equivalent to 1 whole, which is here with our numbers, or here visually, and 2/4 are left over, right? So this is a great idea on how we could teach our students to work with adding fractions, is working with them with a visual. And if the fraction happens to be greater than 1 whole, have students use these number bonds or these break apart into whole numbers, right? There are other videos I'm going to share on how to develop that skill. Thank you very much.